Do you want to move your picture in the MS Word? First, select a picture and position it. You can move it in the center, right, left, up, down. But these positions are restricted. You cannot move it freely. If you want to move it freely, select the option Text Wrapping. Select the option Through. Now move your picture. Now you can move your picture freely at your desired position. Thank you.